talk, I could put music over it, but just don't go beyond the weight sheet. Okay, let me see. First thing we're gonna need is red. Pass on right now. Please. Then I'm gonna come and it'll be boring. Also, the months I put up to best for the workers of plan number 4 and 5. You okay for the work to 10 a.m. for the unstopping you know, just be at the end of the year. Which one was it? This one? Bring samples of the work to the meeting. There will be a presentation on the long-term recovery of Montreal after the volcanic crisis on Friday, 24th February, 4 to 6 p.m. at the Bright Primary School. Everyone's welcome to this presentation by PhD student Charlotte Monte. And just want to inform all more customers out there. Mola is issuing a further update on the electricity situation. Unfortunately, for the drying of the alternator on our number 3 generator in Grace Power Station necessary, and therefore he's still open, Mo? It is still short of capacity to meet the island demand. Mola will therefore continue with the taking of the electricity. Boy, love to figure it out. Really would love to figure it out. All those problems that I can't resist.
And just have to cut maybe a big spoon. Just a big scratcher.
Mommy, I didn't know me scratches since you buy them to take away.
This is similar here.
Why is that one so special?
Due to the rest. Fancy, what more fragile. There's one different color and everything. Handling this with gloves.
Really? You have any gloves? Okay. How would you get that though? Make it? The gloves. Okay. I'm trying for this to look more professional than yesterday. What are you talking about? The nitty white ones? When I told them I was working in currency jewelry, like I noticed a lot of the jewelers that you see would have them already, the other pieces.
Yeah.
Oh man, you know what I didn't like? They just say use the less shiny side, right? Because something kind of chemical on the shiny one.
Okay, there we go. Oh, nice. Really? Your hand panel. What should I do to that now? Cover it with stickers? This is a wider view. No, not anywhere.
It's not, look, this one is not on the burner properly.
Yeah, right now. Me not do no food.
And you need to have a paper by the neck of that. That
Wait.
is why you and your father have it too. No, I mean when you're pouring it, as soon as you
You can tell me.
you're not supposed to have. You should be pouring it in something that will stand up, so you can wipe the thing immediately. Exactly. By the time you finish all that, you're on Gandalf.
Not much though.
Huh?
Let's see now. And maybe you could be the stick. Oh. Alright, now for the cool part. Let me pause this and come back when it's completely melted. Now, this is what this looks like now it's all melted. I tell you. Like you're really gonna need all them big pieces. Shift that. Shift the red. Now we're dealing with the purple. Pause while I show some more. And we broadcasted it here. Well, obviously the dead body wouldn't be in the post for me, just a wonder like who that was. Not anymore. Oh, that's where you get the Sullivan from. Well now, what are we gonna do with this? Sweet bird. Alright. Shift up from the edge of the pan. Round two. Well, at least I'm honest enough to show the mistakes. Yep, that's on camera. Get married. Alright, now moral of the story is use less. A little bit of purple. No, I didn't see that. Okay, so a little bit of purple. Immensely stunning. You don't want it to be purple enough to be called purple, but you just need a little bit of purple. A little bit more purple. This is about 3 shavings. Yeah, and the second one it could kind of pass. It's kind of fun, you know. Remember me? They're charging all 16 US and stuff for this. Here we are making a dupe in the kitchen. 15 miles off the next island in the Philippines, basically. Remember me? Alright, so there we have it. Spice cake. Simple as that. And let's not waste this other one. Just pour a little bit in. And a little bit more. And just a touch. Yeah. You don't have to do that if you don't need to. As you saw, it was perfect. Now, just to give this a little body, gonna add some wax. Pause it. Is this one right? Yeah. It's not really gonna do much, but yeah. What kind? I know her. What kind? Boy, that reminds me like the times talking to Nikki lunchtime in like secondary school. One time this big spider, get that thing away from me. Said I. What was it? Get that thing away. Yeah, it might have been that. Remember me? Okay, I'm gonna try and make sure that this time everyone can see what I'm pouring into. But last time it wasn't so pretty. Because it's a pointy part. Is this wiping off or anything? Just in case. Perfect. Okie dokie. And there we have it, Spice Cake. Basically, for free.